I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Affirm to PayPal, follow these simple steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Affirm account. Start by opening the Affirm app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Check your available balance. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard to check your available balance. Ensure you have enough funds to transfer. Step 3. Withdraw funds to your bank. To transfer funds to PayPal, you first need to withdraw them to your linked bank account. Go to the withdraw section and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Step 4. Link your bank account to PayPal. If you haven't already, log into your PayPal account and link the same bank account you used in Affirm. Go to the wallet section and follow the prompts to add your bank. Step 5. Transfer funds to PayPal. After the funds have cleared in your bank account, log back into PayPal and transfer the funds from your bank to your PayPal balance. This can take a few minutes to process. Remember, it may take a couple of days for the funds to appear in your bank account after withdrawing from Affirm, so plan accordingly. I hope this helps you with your transfer.